Hello friends, students, all of you are welcome to the Department of Horticulture, College of Agriculture, Junagadh, Agriculture University, Junagadh. So friends, today we will start the identification of various horticultural plants, that is ornamental plants, fruit crops as well as vegetable crops. So whatever the plants available in this Motibag region, we will start the identification. This may be having different features like this propagation, what type of propagation, whether it is cutting or it is grafting. So which are the propagation methods suitable for this plant, we will discuss on that. We will discuss also on the English name as well as scientific name as well as local name, whatever prevailing in this region. So friends, let us start the identification. Okay, so friends, this one is a croton. This is famous for its ornamental value, and we can okay, this is a shrub, and this plant is we can plant this plant on the edges or sometimes for the better look of the lawn as well as anything. So this is croton, and we can grow this by sexual as well as asexual method, but generally asexual methods are famous for this, like this hardwood cutting as well as semi hardwood cutting. So this is croton. This plant is known as a Aralia, and because of its serrated leaves, you can see these are the serrated leaves. Okay, these are the serrated leaves. So this is known by its serrated leaves, and it can also be propagated through the cuttings, that may be hardwood cutting or maybe semi hardwood cuttings. This plant is Rondeletia. You can see, you can have the view, the leaf texture is very rough. I can feel this is rough textured plant, this Rondeletia. Okay, this plant with this attractive color, purple color, this plant is known as a Dracaena. This can also be grown by the semi hardwood as well as hardwood cuttings. This plant is Euphorbia, as the characteristics of Euphorbia is that if you are cutting the leaves, then you will have the latex, like milk like latex. Yes, you can see milk like latex is oozing out. So this is a Euphorbia. This is the identification characteristics of this Euphorbia. This plant is Thuja compacta. You can see the plant. You can plant it in the center of any garden or on the rows also. This plant is known as a Gardenia. You can see, you can have the view of this through the semi hardwood as well as hardwood cuttings. We can propagate this plant. Yes, this is Araucaria plant. It is also known as a Christmas tree. This one is a screw croton. You can see the leaves of this plant are like looking like screw. You can see the plant leaves, it is looking like screw. So the name of this plant is a screw croton. You can see this plant. This plant in purple color is known as a Ecalifa. That is also known as a Billard Puch, because the flower of this plant right now it is not available. If available, I will show you. Yeah, it is not here, but it is looking like the tail of the cat, Billard Puch. Yeah, very small tail is there, but it is almost 3 to 4 inches long tail. It will be found as a flower. So this is known as a Ecalifa or Billard Puch, and this is also propagated through the semi hardwood or hardwood cuttings. Okay, and friend, this one is a Parrot duranta. Yes, the color is looking like parrot. Yeah, we can use this as a edge, not the hedge but like a edge. So softwood as well as semi hardwood cuttings is preferable, like this in this Parrot duranta. Now friends, whatever you are seeing as a edge, not the hedge, this is smaller in height. This is a Justicia, or you can say Justucia. Yes, this one is a Justicia. So it is a edge, smaller in height. You can see it is a edge, smaller in height, while as compared to this is hedge, very much in height. This is the plant known as a Casuarina equisetifolia. Okay, so how we can say it is a Casuarina equisetifolia? So let me explain. This is Casuarina equisetifolia, means equi means equal, seti means sets, and folia means foliage. Okay, so friends, this is equisetifolia, Casuarina equisetifolia, as I told. This is a hedge, and it is covering to the lawn. It is also working as a protective for the lawn and for the better aesthetic value also, as I told. This is edge, these are the hedge. Okay, this is also a edge. This Paraduranda, you can see, this is also a edge, but this is the hedge. Yes, this is the hedge. So this is a very beautiful lawn in front of our College of Horticulture, and this is our Department of Horticulture. And whatever you are seeing in the center of this lawn, it is known as a palm, and palm we can say it is a focal point. So it is the point of interest in between the lawn. So this is a palm. Okay, this one is a very interesting plant known as a Rushellia juncea. So this is also known as a welcome plant because it is having a posture like welcome. So when we are welcoming to somebody, we have to just bow down. So it is bowing down, you can see over here. And tip layering is the method of propagation for this plant. You can see, if it is possible, I will show you. Okay, so wherever it is coming in the contact with this soil, it is just germinating. It is germinating. Okay, over here. So this is the plant example for the air layering. Sorry, not the air layering, but just tip layering. Okay, this one is a snake plant. You can see this is a snake plant.